Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the Porsche Cayenne that we've been working on, so it's a 2012 edition. So what we've done here is replace the radio in this particular vehicle and integrated a reversing camera as well. So that's a reversing camera there. So if we like to just step inside the vehicle. So what we've got here is, obviously this vehicle came without navigation, came without Bluetooth, and what we've done is replace the screen there. So this is the old unit. So this is the Porsche CDR31. So that's what the unit looks like. They're the plugs on the back. Obviously quite a basic radio, and what we've done is flushed in a Kenwood DMX 7017. So you've got your glass mount aerial there. So this particular unit gives features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as obviously Bluetooth streaming, Spotify streaming. But the main features are this Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So as you can see here, what we've got on the unit, we've got digital radio, and we've also got the option of obviously your Bluetooth, AM, FM, and that's all integrated in the screen there. We've also got this really nice Porsche bit of trim here. So this is the fascia kit that we've used. So it's all finished, looks really OEM, looks as though it should be there. And one of the main thing is obviously this customer was after a reversing camera. So as soon as you select reverse, a really clear image pops up on the screen, and when you go out of reverse, it goes back to normal. One other thing that we did, so we've run the USB cable into the glove box here. So this obviously allows for charging as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. And then in here we've also added in Wi-Fi. This is quite an easy installation actually. It always sounds quite fancy, but it's a relatively easy installation, and it's quite a cheap one as well. So it's not that bad. So a lot of people go for that option and include that within the package. So that's the Kenwood unit. It's a really good unit. It's one of our most popular actually. It's one of our best-selling ones, mostly due to the fact that it doesn't have navigation built in, but you gain the features of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that's how most people are listening to and watching their navigation systems nowadays. So a really seamless integration, really nice little Porsche logo on there as well. So this is the main thing, is that this is the Porsche CDR31 that we've replaced with the Kenwood DMX 7017 in the 2012 Porsche. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about this installation, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. That's 01223 56 30 30. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.